NNSS, the Nevada National Security Site, has partnered with Rebuilding Together Southern Nevada to renovate and perform minor repairs on well-deserving members of our community. Completely repainted the entire house.
Feeling a very Karate Kid vibe right now.
Perform landscaping services throughout the property. Done some much needed wrought iron gate repairs.
People put in new screens. I've seen people potting plants and beautifying the outside and around. I've seen people doing rocks. Bring this back up to standard and make it beautiful.
The goal is basically to instill a sense of pride back in the homeowner who is unfortunately unable to do this kind of stuff for themselves.
And you have to have a roof over your head. And with the price of things now, it's hard for a senior on a fixed income to get this done.
Updating the trim so that it's got a nice even coat.
Trim provides contrast to the base coat, makes your house look wow!
Show her that people are still out here willing to help.
Beautify a home and beautify a neighborhood. I just really like that underlying motivation.
As human beings, I think that that's what we're supposed to do. We are supposed to help those that are in need.
They came and jumped right in. They did stuff I didn't expect for them to do that should have been done years ago, but I just couldn't, with my health and what have you not.
NNSS, this is what they do. And the people here are so happy and glad to be doing what they're doing. They're happy at work and then they're happy working on the weekends. That says a lot.
This is a great team building activity. You're going to meet people from throughout the company that you don't interact with at any point in your daily activities. We're all about national security, and that's our primary function. But when we're performing jobs like this, we try to bring to the table residential security, which I think we've done today. The repairs of all the exterior lighting on the home, and as well as the repairs to the front gates and the side wrought iron gates, give the homeowner a better feel of security in her own residence.
But you just don't know how much I appreciate these people. I really do, considering that they are volunteers. It's unreal. It's unreal for me, really. I love it. I really do.
We don't just operate a business here. We are part of the community, and we want to show that by performing community outreach events and services to our friends and neighbors.
We are part of the community and we are here to help.